Aloha! Billy Sprays here for Kleen-Rite and JBS Orange Island Punch. You know that feeling when you leave the beach and you never really feel like you get all the salt and sand off, no matter how much you brush off or spray yourself with water, and you never really feel completely clean until you have a nice shower or a bubbly bath with the right soap? The same thing's true for cars at the car wash. And you never really get the dirt and grime and residue off until you hit it with the right soap and let it break it down. JBS Orange Island Punch Power Concentrate offers effective cleaning power paired with a little bit of fun that your customers will love. Along with high foaming ability and great lubricity, this soap concentrate has a terrific orange color and a delightfully fruity island punch scent. And that's not all. JBS Orange Island Punch is a concentrate that you dilute yourself, so you don't have to pay to ship water. Save space in your chemical room and save space on storage. JBS recommends a dilution ratio ranging from 240 to 1 to 300 to 1. Follow their advice to get the best foaming results and most effective cleaning power without wasting product.
5 minutes later.
Perfectly mixed!
Pack an extra punch in your self-serve bays with the JBS Orange Island Punch Power Concentrate. Available now at Kleen-Rite.
Kleen-Rite.